Superstar beginner tap dancers. You should have this combo, the little mini T for 2 combo for beginners down pack right now. So now we're just gonna add a little turn to it, okay? We're gonna do it a little faster and we're gonna add a little turn. Let me go ahead and show you where the turn is, and it's gonna go on this part. Remember this? Okay, here we go. Watch me and then you can do it with me. 2, 3, and. Hey! And this time, notice my feet. This time I want you to practice it up here from now on, so you are balanced with your heels off the ground, okay? I'm building your body up for more advanced steps in the next videos. Okay, you guys, let's take it all together from the top, and then this again, you're gonna practice 5 times this week. We're staying right here, and this time we are going to get it even faster than it was before. That is our goal, okay? All right, practice that tap turn if you need to on your own with me. Take the video back and then catch up with us here. All right, shining stars, here we go. That's what is first. We're taking it from the top a little bit faster. Let me see. That's not too fast, is it? Let's take it. 1, 2, 3, and. You guys, I am so proud of you. You should be proud of yourself, because if you didn't know how to do anything at all, you should really be tapping it out right now, okay? So congratulations on this little combo. Once again, though, practice this same video 5 times this week, okay? 5 times, and then come back and see what new thing I have posted for beginner tap dancers. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. I love you so much, and I love my cute little shoes by So Danca with the heart. And of course, I'm tapping on my amazing portable tap board by Got to Dance. All right, you guys, I love you so much. See you next week. Charon Tap Star out. Inspire. Remember, no one starts at number 1. You have to work for it. Number 1 Hoofers, let's go. Show your appreciation. Like this video now.